heard about it. Now, hydrogen is the lightest element in a periodic table. It has a mass of 2. There's 2 of them that join together, and because it's very light, it's less dense, it's very low density, and it floats very easily. Now, I'm standing here with a splint that I'm about to light. So what is the property of hydrogen gas? What is it able to do? It's able to not only burst, but it's combustible. Now, it's very reactive. And it reacts with a gas that's also in the air, which is what?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Now, for those of you that have seen this demonstration before, I'm going to do it once, I'm going to do it again, because we're going to talk about what is actually happening. Right. Ready?
No. Wait, is that a ruler?
Yeah. Right. Well, I don't know when it's going to go exactly. I'm just going to hold it back. Right. 3, 2, 1. So,
Are you going to do it again, sir?
Hold on, sir.
Are you drawing a face, sir?
now, what were the signs of the reaction? How do we know this reaction happened? So,
Have you drawn yourself on there?
oh, yes. No, I've got hair on it. That's not me. So, in this reaction, we saw a big bang, and what did we feel?
The Big Bang.
We felt heat giving off. What's actually formed?
Reaction.
Now, heat was formed, heat was given off, but oxygen is reacting with hydrogen. There was actually a product, something that was formed. Hydrogen oxide, which is commonly known as something that you drink. Water. In this reaction, hydrogen is reacting with oxygen to form H2O, water. Now, why do you think people might use hydrogen to power things? What's given off here? A lot of heat. So, if you give off heat, that gives off a lot of energy. We need energy to power things. Now, who can tell me what a greenhouse gas is?
Like, I don't know.
Begins with a C? Something oxide?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Now, water is not a pollutant. So people will actually use hydrogen as an alternative to fossil fuels that are polluting. What is the problem with storing hydrogen, though? It's very dangerous, explosive, because...
So if there's a balloon factory,
Yep,
and it's set on fire, it would just...
yep. And I'm about to set lights to this before my split goes up in flames.
Wait. Whoa.
Oh, rubbish. Okay. It took too long. Just building up the suspense.
I need to get this.
Right, got a longer split now.
Does it explode this time?
I hope so.
Oh, I hear it.
Wait, what do you mean?
What would you do if it's like really tight?
Okay, ready?
What have you done?
It would make me jump if I held the phone, so I set it up in the pencil case. I hope so. I can just move it with my butt.
Have you seen this one before?
Yeah. See where you put the light and it goes all into the frame.
I've never been in a more interesting myself ever. So,
No, you put it in and then that frame comes up. Charlie, you remember this last year?
so in here is an example of other elements that are non-metals. So we've got a liquid that contains the elements of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen that are arranged together, sharing their electrons, and it's called ethanol, which is alcohol. Now, alcohol is used in, obviously, beers, wines, and spirits. It's used in solvents. It's used for all kinds of things, but it's also used as a fuel. So people will actually go if you go to Europe, for example. So when I drove my car to France, you go to a petrol station, and already you get petrol that is mixed with an alcohol. Yes, you can, because that is alcohol.
What is moonshine?
Moonshine is illegal alcohol. The reason why it's illegal is because you pay tax on alcohol content, and when you make your own alcohol, A, it's illegal,
But
and
is
B,
it
it's illegal.
in the virus?
Well, yeah. Is that stronger than like acid?
Well, it depends. It depends how much you distill it.
Does that blow up?
We'll find out. So in here, I've got ethanol, and I'm going to drain out the excess ethanol. This is really, really important because I'm going to do it again in a second. And I've shaken it up to make sure that it's really well mixed and it's vaporized. It's turned into a vapor. Now, if you were to go into space, you would use a mixture of rocket fuel and oxygen, and the thrust, every reaction, these equal opposite reaction, will go down and then you go upwards. Luckily, I'm not going to launch this into space. The rocket, I guess, is upside down, so we're going to see a flame that comes out, and okay, I'm about to do it. Okay, ready? So, first things first, put your hand on that.
Oh, okay. Right.
So all I did is set light to the alcohol.
Used about 150 years.